So it seems pia ma MPs huku nje kanawachachia, mambo ni mbaya, mfuko zimekauka. I'm speaking about this in regards to a certain story that has currently caught my attention. One of the most hilarious member of parliament in the country, that is Honorable Peter Salasya of Mumias East, an arrest warrant has been issued by the police officers on Peter Salasya. Now, the reason why the arrest warrant has been issued is because Peter Salasya has been unable to pay a debt that he owes to one Kakamega woman, which is amounting to Kenya shillings 500,000, which is about 500,000 Kenyan shillings. Now, Kenyans on social media have a question to Honorable Peter Salasya. Honorable Peter Salasya, every weekend you are in clubs, clubbing, and doing every kind of weird thing that Honorable Peter Salasya always does and posts them on his social media pages. How comes that this man is not able to cater and pay a debt worthy 500,000 Kenyan shillings? Now, what I'm being told is that the Kakamega woman even wanted to take Peter Salasya's government car as a form to pay the debt. An arrest warrant has been issued against the Mumias East Member of Parliament, Honorable Peter Salasya, for allegedly failing to clear a debt owed to a Kakamega businesswoman. Walai mnakapitia wabunge. Kuna wabunge wanakapitia. First of all, these young MPs who joined the government lately. Now, the Kakamega Small Claims Court adjudicator Caroline Cheriot issued the warrant after the MP allegedly failed to pay and clear debt worth 563,000 Kenyan shillings, which include 500,000 Kenyan shillings he is allegedly to have borrowed from the businesswoman in the year 2022 during the campaign season, and interesting accrued at the court interest rate. Now, the question is, during the 2022 general election, Honorable Peter Salasya was campaigning, and that is when he took the loan. But right now, this man is making millions of money in the current regime and the current government. Why isn't he giving back or trying to pay the goodwill of the woman that took it upon herself to finance the campaigns of Honorable Peter Salasya? Because what we know is that he used to campaign, I don't know, on a boda or he used to campaign on a donkey or a mkokoteni. That's what we were being told after the guy ascended to office. Now, Cheriot directed that police should arrest the MP unless he pays them the total amount decreed plus expenses for execution of the warrant that was given by the police. The MP... No, this guy is hilarious sometimes. The MP requested the court in April to allow him to pay the outstanding amount in installments of 50,000 Kenyan shillings monthly on grounds that he was unable to repay the amount at once. That is a lie, Honorable Peter Salasya, because you can't tell us an MP in the current government of President William Ruto not able to pay a debt worth 500,000 Kenyan shillings. No, that's a lie. Because we all know that the members of parliament, even their allowances just for one sitting, amounts, I don't know, to 83,000 Kenyan shillings a day. So, these people, just for a day, if he attends the sittings in parliament, for 3 days or 3 consecutive sittings, he is able to pay half of the amount of money that he owns to this lady. But he is not willing to do so. Now, the court, however, declined his application, urging that Salasya had not made any payment since the decree was issued in January as a sign of commitment to pay. The National Assembly then filed an application seeking to stop the businessman from attaching his car on grounds that it was still the property of Parliament, since it was still registered in the names of the MP and the Parliament. Honorable Peter Salasya is a madman. I'm saying this because how can you as an MP go ahead to say that you are handing over or you are using the government car to pay your debt, yet the car is not yours Personally, it is owned by the government of the Republic of Kenya. Salasya. Now, the MP had committed in court to pay the entire amount before Wednesday's ruling date, but he turned up with 80,000 Kenyan shillings, which the court declined and went ahead to issue the arrest warrant. Alijaribu kuwalipa 80,000 today. They told Salasya, wewe unalala ndani, nane maandamano hauendi. Nane hauendi Honorable Peter Salasya. Yeah, that's what's up, that's what's happening. Remember, this is FM Show KE. I'm your host, F. K. Mwenda. And as I always say, subscribe. May God bless you and may God bless the Republic of Kenya.